The Battle of La Malmaison, fought from October 23 to October 27, 1917, was a highly successful French offensive during World War I. Taking place on the Chemin de Dames Ridge, it marked a significant recovery for the French army after months of crisis and mutiny earlier in the year. Background: after the Nivelle disaster. Earlier in 1917, the French army had suffered a devastating defeat during the Nivelle Offensive, promised a quick victory. The attack instead resulted in massive casualties and little territorial gain. Mutiny. The failure led to widespread mutinies within the French ranks. Soldiers, exhausted and disillusioned, refused to participate in further large-scale offensives. New leadership. To restore order and morale, General Philippe Pétain took command. Unlike his predecessor, he focused on improving conditions for soldiers and planning limited, carefully prepared operations. Strategic importance of La Malmaison. The objective was to fortify German positions around the Fort de La Malmaison, located on the Chemin de Dames Ridge in northern France. This area had been a stronghold for the German Empire, offering excellent observation over French lines. Capturing it would weaken German defensive control on the ridge, improve French tactical positions, restore confidence in the army's leadership. The French plan, under the command of General Auguste Dechaine, the French carefully planned the assault using intense artillery bombardment, including heavy use of gas shells, close coordination between infantry and artillery, creeping barrage, limited, clearly defined objectives to avoid overextension. Unlike earlier offensives, this was a methodical and controlled attack designed to minimize casualties while maximizing effectiveness. The battle unfolds. On October 23rd, French forces launched their attack after days of bombardment. The German defenses, though strong, were severely weakened. French troops advanced with precision, capturing key positions including the Fort de La Malmaison. The use of coordinated artillery fire allowed infantry to move forward with reduced exposure to enemy fire. Within days, the French achieved all their objectives, and German forces were forced to withdraw from much of the Chemin de Dames Ridge. Outcome and significance. The Battle of La Malmaison was a clear French victory with several important consequences. It demonstrated that the French army had recovered from the mutinies. It validated Pétain's strategy of limited, well-prepared offensives. It forced a German retreat, improving French strategic positioning. Most importantly, it restored confidence and morale within the French forces, proving that success was possible without catastrophic losses. Legacy and conclusion. Though often overshadowed by larger battles, La Malmaison stands as a model of effective military planning during World War I. It showed that careful coordination, realistic objectives, and attention to troop welfare could achieve meaningful results, even in the brutal conditions of trench warfare. The Battle of La Malmaison was not just a tactical victory. It was a psychological turning point. After months of despair and unrest, the French army proved it could fight and win on its own terms. In the long grind of World War I, La Malmaison offered something rare, a successful offensive that combined strategy, discipline, and restraint.